Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage here. So before I start this video, I gotta let you know I'm not getting paid, nor am I endorsing any product. I'm just a mechanic that's been doing this for 40 years, and I want to give you my honest opinion on tools. Now, just basically today, what I'm going to go over with you is some ratchets. Now, Snap-on tools, they are awesome. They are like the best tools you can get. And what you have is you have a lifetime warranty on them. Now, if your ratchet starts skipping, um, they'll take the guts out of it and put new guts in. If you break a socket, they're going to come by and replace the socket. And it's really, really convenient. That is if they show up. Now, this ratchet, one day I was working on something and it broke, and I used this ratchet a lot. And I needed my ratchet, and the Snap-out guy didn't show up, and I'm like, all right, well, I'll just I'll go down to Harbor Freight, Keene, New Hampshire. They, opened a store, and I used to have to go all the way over to Nashua, and so kind of convenient. So I needed a ratchet for the following day for a job I was going to do. I needed a ratchet like this, so I went into Harbor Freight, and I was surprised to see they had this Pittsburgh line of tools. Now I bought this one. It's a flex head. I bought it like 3 years ago, and I've hammered the crap out of the thing. It has not broke. It looks a lot like Snap-on. The only thing is the direction of the lever is different. On is off, and off is on, compared to like the Snap-on ones. I'm going to see. They have a lifetime warranty on these Pittsburghs. I'm going to see if they're going to honor it, because if you look at this head on this thing, it kind of flops around. I've tried to tighten it. Talked to the manager down there. He said, yeah, just come in, swap it out for a new one. So we'll see how easy that is. I haven't done it yet. There's another ratchet. It's an Icon ratchet. Same thing. I have a Matco one. I can't find it right now. But the Matco guy started, and he came in, and the flex head ratchet, and he lasted about 6 months, and he didn't come around anymore. So you got to do what you got to do to make a living, And like I say, Snap-on tools are great. I have a mixture of everything: Mac tools, Craftsman, Cornwell, Snap-on, Matco, you name it. I have pretty much a blend of everything. So, second story here is my 3/8 drive ratchet here. I love this Snap-on ratchet, FAR72C. The anvil broke on it, and I needed it fixed. And it's a really good deal with Snap-on. They basically charge you $150 to basically go right through it and give you a new unit. They do a really fine job. Same thing with my 1/4" drive. I just had that one redone. Yeah, it's about $150, and I still owe the Snap-on guy $100 for that. I haven't seen him in a while, so I really want to pay him. But so same thing, this anvil broke on this, and I needed my 3/8 ratchet to work the next day for a job I was working on. It actually broke right in the middle of the job I was working on. And I had a problem with it. I mean, this thing's ancient. It's like me. Um, so I went down to Harbor Freight again, and this is their most expensive one. They had earthquake. And it got me by. It got me by. Doesn't nearly have the amount of torque that the Snap-on does, but the thing I like about this, it's got some kind of built-in clutch system. So when you tighten up, it basically slows down. It doesn't ram your hand into whatever your hand's next to. I kind of like that. But yeah, I know a lot of you are probably going, boo, Harbor Freight. It's like, look, I get it. I run a shop by myself. I don't have a uniform company come in and clean my clothes. I basically wash my own clothes. I do my own books. I order my own parts. I do everything. So it's the difference between me getting the job out the door, getting money so I can put food on the table for me and my daughter. That's what I'm going to do. It's not like I have any hatred towards any company or anything like that. I love Snap-on tools, Mac tools, all of them. They're great. Everybody's got to make a living, but when you got to make ends meet, you're going to do what you got to do, and that's what I did. So don't anybody out there get pissed off at me for just speaking my mind. I just am, and if you want to um, leave some comments in the comment section below, some positive ones of tools that you use that work just fine and get the nut loosened or the nut tightened or it does the job for you, let me know. Share them. Hey, I really appreciate you, and if you like this video, please do so and subscribe. That would be great. Thanks a bunch.